New Jersey is expected to surpass 100,000 cases tomorrow. But of those cases, Governor Murphy says nearly 50% are now out of the 2-week incubation window. Now, the state says another 100,000 residents have tested negative for this virus. News 4's Adam Harding is in the Garden State. He continues tonight's team coverage live from Hoboken. Adam.
And Natalie, just staggering numbers tonight all across New Jersey, 11 shy of that 100,000 mark. The governor today announcing that he expects the state will cross that sobering milestone sometime tomorrow. Meantime, earlier today, we did learn of more than 4,200 new cases and 307 deaths statewide linked to COVID-19. The governor says the curve is remaining flat despite today's uptick in numbers. According to one report, the state is set to announce new plans next week for increased testing because they've reportedly only tested about 2% of the state's population. As the governor does in his daily briefings, he highlights some of the men and women who have lost their lives. Today, he talked about a New Jersey State Trooper, Rick Vandercock. The 71-year-old spent 3 weeks in a coma due to COVID-19. His son is also in law enforcement. He, too, was tested, and he also had the virus. We spoke with him earlier tonight. He walked us through those tough moments. He says he had not been able to speak to his father for close to a month.
He was 70 years old. He had no medical issues. I'm still in a state of shock. I just can't believe that this virus affected my father and me. And I really didn't have a whole lot of symptoms, and it killed my dad. I just can't believe it. We're just torn up about it.
And he did say that it was unexpected to hear from the governor today before this morning's press conference. As for what comes next in the state, the governor says there is no time right now to ease up on the social distancing, and jumpstarting the economy is still several weeks away. Meantime, we also learned about 850,000 people across the state have filed recently for unemployment. Stefan and Natalie, that is 10 times the number it was a year ago. We're live tonight in Hoboken. I'm Adam Harding, News 4 New York.